Hi! To change keyboard language on your Samsung Galaxy A14, as a first step, we would need to open Settings, and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named General Management. Click on it, and here go to this tab which is named Samsung Keyboard Settings. Here, as you can see, we got this tab which is named Languages and Types, and by clicking on it, here we can see that we got only English language on our keyboard. By clicking on the tab Manage Input Languages, we would be able to add some more. As you can see here, we got a huge list with all of the languages which are available on your phone. So here we can click on this search icon to look for one exact language, and I'll choose Russian. Here we can see the Russian one, and to add it to our keyboard, simply click on this slider that you can see here, and when it's blue, the language has been successfully added. So now we can go back, and if we will take a look on the tab named Languages and Types, you can see that we got currently 2 languages, and let's also test it. So I'll open Google. And here, by typing on this search bar, you can see that I got English keyboard, and by clicking on this globe icon, I'll switch to Russian. And this is it. Like this, you can add a lot of languages that are the most useful for you and that you need. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.